Transform your firm's file reviews and unlock new levels of firm-wide visibility with OneAdvanced File Quality Review and Matter Quality Agents, the UK's first to combine automated, randomised file reviews with firm-wide matter quality insights directly within OneAdvanced Legal. Law firms are weighed down by the administrative burden of manual file reviews, a time-consuming task that drains resources and lacks firm-wide risk visibility, increasing exposure to regulatory penalties and reputational damage. The AI agents replace manual, admin-heavy processes with a scalable, continuous approach that validates regulatory accreditation and internal policy compliance, surfacing risk, strengthening governance, protecting firm reputation, and driving consistent, high-quality client service. Here's how the agents work. Simplifying the file review process and allowing authorized users to set up audits in minutes, the File Quality Review agent randomly selects files, runs predefined compliance checks and flags risks, enabling the user to track progress and assign corrective actions to matter owners for resolution and sign-off. The Matter Quality Agent scales this firm-wide, continuously assessing all live matters, revealing overall quality and operational insights. Firm leaders can drill into task-level details, identify recurring instances of non-compliance, and target training, so risks are addressed earlier and quality is maintained across every matter. By leveraging our AI agents, firms can increase efficiency, reduce administrative burdens, and lower the risk of regulatory penalties. This ensures teams are consistently delivering exceptional client service that meets firm standards. Powered by the OneAdvanced platform, delivering scalability, security, and effortless connectivity, it optimizes your workflows, providing AI-driven insights to support and power your law firm. Ready to explore how the File Quality Review and Matter Quality Agents can empower your firm? Contact us today.